Hello, if you are wondering whether Samsung Galaxy S25 has macro mode, then the answer is unfortunately no. The base model S25 doesn't have designated macro mode or macro photos mode or anything like that. Compared to, for example, S25 Ultra, if you try to capture a macro object or subject, you will see a flower icon on the left side, which indicates that the macro camera is being used. But in this case, as you can see, we don't have such a thing. We can still try to capture macro photos by ourselves by simply taking the distance, so keep the distance between the object itself and the camera, and then try to, for example, use zoom in order to capture a small object. It probably won't look as good as on S25 Ultra with the special macro camera, but it is still possible to capture photos of small subjects. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!